Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. DaCosta. Today we are going to begin writing our first paragraph for our literary essay. So you should have already done your introduction paragraph. If you didn't, it is very important that you do your introduction paragraph first before you do your first paragraph. So this is where we are going to be typing our first paragraph. It looks kind of like how we did our introduction, and I wanted to keep it consistent like that. So again, it has up here the directions. It says your first paragraph should have these two things. It says your first supporting trait / reason, and a little space for you to put the X once you've written it, and the evidence from the story supporting that trait / reason, and then it has the line here for the little X. And it says, please begin writing your first paragraph underneath this line. Now, you should have already listened to the sample paragraph that I supplied for you in our reading folder. If you didn't, I would suggest going back to our reading and writing folder and clicking on that and listening to it, because it's really going to help you. It gives you an example of a fourth grade first paragraph for a literary essay. Now, for these two things, your first supporting trait / reason and the evidence from the story, you're not just pulling them out of nowhere, okay? What you need to do is you need to go back to your literary essay planner, okay? So, your literary essay planner, the reason why we do these is because really it helps you write your literary essay before you even start writing it, right? So it has all of the information. Mine is blank, obviously, but it has all of the information, and then you just plug it into your literary essay, okay? So, whoops. Oh, okay, hello. Oh, we're all over the place. Okay, so your first supporting trait / reason is going to be the first detail, okay? And then the evidence from the story is going to be what you typed right here. Okay, so, oh my, okay, everywhere. Here we go. Okay, so now something that I like to do, and it was in the literary essay example that I gave to you. I like to just state the name of the book again, okay, as the first sentence. So I can say something like, in the book Fox, dog shows that he is a good friend, okay? So I renamed my claim, and that's fine. You can rename your claim, okay? But it's also very important that you put your first supporting trait, okay? And I remember when I was filling out my literary essay planner, my first trait / reason was that dog was caring, okay? So I'm going to write that. So I have in the book Fox, dog shows that he is a good friend. He shows that he is a good friend because he is very caring. Okay, so I have my first supporting trait / reason, so I can put an X there. In the book Fox, dog shows that he is a very good friend. He shows he is a good friend because he is very caring. Now, I need to put the evidence. Okay, well, I remember when I was doing this down here, when I wrote the evidence, I was talking about how dog was very caring with Magpie, and he was tending to her burnt wing, and he was very caring with her. So I'm going to write something along those lines, okay? So the author says in the story that dog tends to Magpie's burnt wing. This means that he cares for her burnt wing. Okay? And then I can write something like, if I want to add a little more, I can talk a little bit about how dog, even though Fox shows up and he's kind of weird, dog says, oh, it's okay, let him be. Okay? So you can add more. Don't be afraid to add more. Okay? But as long as you have these two things, your first supporting trait and reason and the evidence from your story, you should be okay. All right? Message me if you need me. I'll see you soon. Bye.